Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your Squarespace site says domain not connected and your website isn't loading properly, don't panic. Because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix the domain not connected issue in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Squarespace in your favorite browser. Open the website, log in using your email address and password. It's time now to go through the settings. So I just opened settings. I'm gonna go all the way here on this left corner, domains and email. Then go all the way to domains. So you have two options. Either you get a domain by tapping on get domain or use a domain that you already own. So let's go and tap get a domain for example. It will open a new page where you just be searching on your domain. But if you already have done this process and it says not connected, you should click the domain to view detail. Verify the DNS records, make sure the A records and C name provided by Squarespace are added correctly as your domain provider. Remove any old or confliction records, delete extra A records. I'm talking here about the 4 A records or old C names. Then reconnect the domain. Back in Squarespace, tap on reconnect domain, then wait for the verification. Connection usually updates with a few minutes, and that's it, that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.